Hi ladies, this is Jackie Sims Perry with Art Pre-tied Scarves products. We'd like to invite you out to our very first Scarf Art Challenge being held on Sunday, April 28th at 5 o'clock. The Scarf Art Challenge is a scarf tying competition in which you'll have the opportunity to showcase your scarf tying skills against a scarf art product. If your skills outperform our products, then you will win a scarf art product. If you're not currently a scarf wearer or a scarf lover, but you're interested in alternative accessories, I can attest to the power of a scarf to transform pretty much any outfit, multiple outfits, for work, for church, for social events, for special occasions. A scarf can pretty much transform and add instant glamour, add a pop to most of your outfits for the most part. So come out and see what we have to offer, the different designs, fabrics. There's a lot to see. We'll give you some tips on how to coordinate the scarves with your different outfits and lots of fashion advice and things like that. So if you're not a scarf lover or a scarf wearer currently, this is also a great opportunity for you to be exposed to scarf art and some of the benefits of scarf art products, and also to get some tips on scarf tying as well. This event, our event, is part of a larger event, the Entrepreneur Expo. The expo is actually being held from 3 to 7, and there will be other sessions and other vendors, so great shopping for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is May 12th, so you can get a leg up pretty much and get your Mother's Day shopping done at the expo, and at the same time enjoy the Scarf Art Challenge. Bring it on, bring a friend, bring your best scarf tying skills, and join us on Sunday, April 28th at 5 o'clock for the Scarf Art Challenge being held at the Hyatt Place, located at 5101 North George Bush Freeway, Garland, Texas. We look forward to seeing you there. It's on.